Okay, here we have a Honda GX390 petrol engine with a low speed belt driven pump, suitable for all day heavy type use. This machine's doing 21 litres a minute, so it's not really suitable for feeding directly off tap. So it's set up with outer bypass, so there's two hoses that you connect to it. The thicker of the two hoses is the pickup, that's got the filter on it, and the second hose is the return hose, and this returns the water when you let go of the trigger back to the tank. So let's just hook her up here. Everything's quick release. Okay. Those all click onto that. Put the two hoses that are cable tied to one another into your water butt. Stainless steel coupling, so they'll never corrode. Again, quick release. Put that in there. Okay, let's start the machine up. Okay, everything's quick release. Turbo nozzle. Nozzles here give you different jets, wider and thinner. So on off here. Okay. Choke on. Revs on.